Hello to all fans of cycling and outdoor activities. Today I want to tell you about a bicycle cover, a simple but very useful accessory that protects your two-wheeled friend from dust and even from medium rain. Let's figure out how it works and what it can do. The first thing that catches your eye is a convenient storage bag with Velcro. It allows you to compactly fold the cover when not in use. The cover itself should be as light and waterproof as possible. These characteristics are important for comfortable transportation and effective protection. This modification has an additional advantage: special holes in the front for threading a bicycle lock. The metal rings through which the lock passes are nickel-plated and protected with a film, which prevents them from corrosion. There's an elastic band at the bottom of the cover, which helps to firmly fix it on the bike. The cover is sewn well and well. I did not notice any abrasions, defective seams, or holes. This inspires confidence in its durability. The back of the cover has a lock that helps protect the bike from accidentally opening in gusts of wind. However, it is worth noting that the cover has increased windage, so it is better to additionally secure it in windy weather. The cover is easy and quick to put on. My model is larger than required for my bike, but in my opinion, this is even a plus. Such redundancy makes it possible to press the cover with wheels to reduce the impact of the wind and avoid flapping. Now, I will show you how to fix the bicycle lock through special holes in the cover. As you can see, everything is simple and convenient. The cover is removed just as easily, without unnecessary effort. After use, I try to fold the cover with the dirty side inward. This helps to avoid contact with dirt if you need to carry it or put it in a backpack. Most likely, you will not be able to fold it completely as it was packed when sold, but when folded, it is quite compact and takes up little space. True, the folding process will take some time, but your bike will be reliably protected. I would like to point out that the storage bag with Velcro is a great solution. It allows you to conveniently fold the cover and takes up almost no space in your backpack. Now let's check how well the cover copes with rain. I have already used it, so it is a little dirty, especially noticeable on the dark part. I simulate very heavy rain, but not long-lasting. Now I carefully remove the cover so that drops of water do not get on the bike, and the experiment is as clean as possible. After watering the cover from a hose, a few drops got on the frame, battery, and engine. In my opinion, this is not critical. The cover is quite capable of withstanding medium-heavy rain. To test it more strictly, I poured several mugs of water directly into the cover. A few drops still leaked. With light physical impact, the number of drops did not increase. This indicates that such a cover is able to withstand a little rain. However, if you are very worried about the electric motor, you can additionally cover it with a plastic bag for greater protection. In my opinion, there is no point in buying a thicker cover. It will significantly increase in volume and size and will become inconvenient for transportation and storage. This option, on the contrary, perfectly combines practicality, lightness, and functionality. Thanks for your attention. If the video was useful, subscribe to the channel. There are many more interesting reviews ahead.